Hi, I'm Roger from EVANNEX. All of us who own Teslas are proud of our vehicles and of the brand. And one way to make the brand stand out is to use our Tesla T accent, a red vinyl accent that overlays the Tesla logo on both the front and the back of the car. Surface preparation is relatively straightforward. We just use a simple alcohol and water mix, spray it on a lint-free towel, and wipe the area down. In this case, we're doing an installation for Model 3, but the installation approach that I'm going to describe is identical for Model S and Model X. You'll note that the Tesla T accent comes with both a rear and front T. It comes as a set. Obviously, the T's are different sizes for those other vehicles. We begin with the rear. We remove the top bar of the T and then simply align it with the chrome bar and gently but carefully press down, being sure that we eliminate any wrinkles or air bubbles as we go. We then move on to the bottom of the T, pulling it off the backing and lining up the V in the T with the V on the chrome. That's the best way to get reasonable alignment. We line up, we press down. If in fact you don't line up properly, I made a small error, you just pull it off gently. You don't want to stretch it or tear it. And replace it so that it fits nicely. Working one side of the T crossbar at a time, then the other side. The front T of the Model 3 is a little bit unique because the T is embedded right on the hood surface. The other T's for Model S and Model X stand alone, but application is identical. We apply the T in exactly the same manner. We're at the front, so you'll note we have Model 3 front noted here. We now remove and apply the bottom portion of the T, again being very careful not to stretch or tear it as we remove it from the backing. We install the lower portion of the T by aligning it with the V slot on the T itself, using it as our centering point.